Hey guys, what's happening? How to refund games on Steam and get money back. So go ahead and open up your browser and go to the Steam support on how to request a refund. And I'm going to show you in visual, and then I'm going to show you practically, right? Because I don't have the game, or I don't have any game purchased by Steam, so I won't be able to actually do it pragmatically. So go ahead and select the game, or you have a problem with the purchase, and select the game, right? Let's have an example of this game, and then I'd like to request a refund. What problem are you having with this product? I purchased this by accident, or gameplay, or technical issues, and then select. They're either gonna ask you, if you want to request a refund or help me fix gameplay. Okay, and you're gonna just request a refund, right, for this game. Refund to your Steam wallet or to your whatever payment method that you used. Okay, and then you're gonna receive a confirmation email that your request was successfully submitted. Note, you will also receive an email once the refund has been processed. Okay, so go to the help.steampowered.com. Right, as you can see, I don't have a game, and select the purchases and find whatever purchase you made. Like, you're gonna see all of your purchases right here, and select that game, right? And as you can see, I don't have a purchase history, so I won't be able to show you. But as I said, select the game and tell them what's the problem, and then request a refund, and follow along to choose where you want to actually receive the refund. You want to receive it via your Steam wallet or PayPal, whatever payment that you use. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.